What is the name of Mr. Willy Wonka's invention? श्री विली वोका के आविष्कार का नाम क्या है? Answer is Wonkawit.
Where does the bristlecone pine, one of the oldest living things, grow? सबसे पुरानी जीवित चीजों में से एक ब्रिस्टलकोन पाइन कहाँ उगता है? Answer is Nevada.
Who is the owner of the 200-year-old tortoise that laid an egg? 200 साल पुराने उस कछुए का मालिक कौन है जिसने अंडा दिया? Answer is King Tonga.
What is the age of the horse from Arabia whose tail was taken for the invention? अरब से लाए गए उस घोड़े की उम्र क्या है जिसकी पूंछ का आविष्कार किया गया था? Answer is 51.
Which animal had its whiskers collected for the invention? आविष्कार के लिए किस जानवर की मूंछें एकत्रित की गई? Answer is cat.
How old was the flea that lived on the cat named Crumpets? Crumpets नामक बिल्ली पर रहने वाला पिस्सू कितने साल का था? Answer is 36.
What did Mr. Wonka give to a brave Oompa Loompa volunteer to test the invention? श्री वोका ने आविष्कार का परीक्षण करने के लिए एक बहादुर ओम्पा लूम्पा स्वयंसेवक को क्या दिया? Answer is black oil.
How old did the Oompa Loompa become after taking 4 drops of Vita Wonk? Vita Wonk की 4 बूंदे लेने के बाद ओम्पा लूम्पा की उम्र कितनी हो गई? Answer is 75.
Where did Mr. Wonka track down the giant curlicue? श्री वोका ने विशाल कलिक्यू का पता कहाँ लगाया? Answer is Andes.
Which mountain did the Grimalkin live in a cave on? ग्रिमाल्किन किस पर्वत पर गुफा में रहते थे? Answer is Popocatépetl.
How many drops of Vita Wonk did Mr. Wonka give to the Oompa Loompa? मिस्टर वोका ने ओम्पा लूम्पा को विटा वोक की कितनी बूंदें दी? Answer is 4.
What did Mr. Wonka collect from the polyfrog? मिस्टर वोका ने पॉलीफ्रॉग से क्या क्या इकट्ठा किया? Answer is egg.
Where did Mr. Wonka collect the knuckle bones of the catalu from? मिस्टर वोका ने कैटालू की नकल हड्डियां कहां से एकत्र की? Answer is Peru.
How old was Petrovich Gregorovich, the Russian farmer? रूसी किसान पेट्रोविच ग्रेगोरोविच की उम्र कितनी थी? Answer is 168.
What was the age of the giant rat from Tibet? तिब्बत से आए विशालकाय चूहे की आयु कितनी थी? Answer is 207.
What was the age of the oldest living thing, the bristlecone pine? सबसे पुरानी जीवित चीज ब्रिस्टलकोन पाइन की आयु क्या थी? Answer is 4000.
Who did Mr. Wonka ask to test the Vita Wonk? श्री वोका ने वीटा वोक का परीक्षण करने के लिए किसे कहा? Answer is an Oompa.
Fill in the blanks. Mr. Willy Wonka invents Wonka wheat, a potion that makes people blank. Answer is older.
The bristlecone pine, one of the oldest living things, grows on the slopes of Wheeler Peak in blank. Answer is Nevada.
Mr. Wonka collected an egg laid by a 200-year-old tortoise belonging to the king of blank. Answer is Tonga.
The tail collected for the invention was from a blank year-old horse in Arabia. Answer is 51.
An old flea, which had lived on crumpets for blank years, was also collected. Answer is 36.
The black teeth collected for the invention were from a blank _year-old Grimalkin. Answer is 97.
The knuckle bones collected for the invention were from a blank _year-old catalu from Peru. Answer is 700.
Mr. Wonka tracked down the giant curlicue in the blank. Answer is Andes.
The Grimalkin lived in a cave on Mount blank. Answer is Popocatépetl.
Petrovich Grigorovich, the Russian farmer, was blank years old. Answer is 168.
The tail collected from the horse in Arabia was blank years old. Answer is 51.
Mr. Wonka gave blank drops of the invention to a brave Oompa Loompa volunteer. Answer is 4.
Mr. Wonka collected an egg from the blank. Answer is Polyfrog.
The knuckle bones were collected from a blank year-old catalu in Peru. Answer is 700.
The giant rat from Tibet was blank years old. Answer is 207.
The bristlecone pine is over blank years old. Answer is 4000.
The volunteer who tested the invention was a brave blank. Answer is child.
Mr. Wonka asked Charlie to look up dendrochronologist in the blank. Answer is dictionary.
Give the answers in true or false. Wonka wheat, Mr. Wonka's invention, made people younger. वोका वाइट, श्री वोका का आविष्कार लोगों को युवा बनाता है. Answer is true.
Someone who became -87 due to Wonka wheat had to wait 87 years to return. वोका wheat के कारण जो व्यक्ति -87 वर्ष का हो गया था, उसे वापस आने के लिए 87 वर्ष तक प्रतीक्षा करनी पड़ी. Answer is true.
Mr. Wonka looked for inspiration to create an age reversal formula. श्री वोका ने उम्र को उलटने का फॉर्मूला बनाने के लिए प्रेरणा की तलाश की. Answer is false.
Charlie helped Mr. Wonka identify the bristlecone pine as the source for his new invention. चार्ली ने श्री वोका को उनके नए आविष्कार के स्रोत के रूप में ब्रिस्टलकोन पाइन की पहचान करने में मदद की. Answer is true.
A Douglas fir was one of the trees Mr. Wonka considered for his age-inducing formula. Douglas fir उन पेड़ों में से एक था जिन पर श्री वोका ने अपने आयुवर्धक फॉर्मूले के लिए विचार किया था. Answer is false.
To create Vita Wonk, Mr. Wonka only collected ingredients from plants. Vita Wonk बनाने के लिए श्री वोका ने केवल पौधों से सामग्री एकत्र की. Answer is false.
Mr. Wonka traveled the world to find ingredients for Vita Wonk. श्री वोका ने वीटा वोंक के लिए सामग्री खोजने के लिए दुनिया भर की यात्रा की. Answer is true.
An egg from a 100-year-old tortoise was on Mr. Wonka's ingredient list. श्री वोका की सामग्री सूची में 100 साल पुराने कछुए का अंडा भी शामिल था. Answer is false.
A whisker from a 36-year-old cat was an ingredient in Vita Wonk. Vita Wonk में एक 36 वर्षीय बिल्ली की मूंछ एक घटक थी. Answer is true.
The oldest creature Mr. Wonka obtained a part from was a 700-year-old cat. श्री वोका को जो सबसे पुराना प्राणी मिला वह 700 साल पुरानी बिल्ली थी. Answer is false.
Mr. Wonka used fur from a whistle pig in his experiment. श्री वोका ने अपने प्रयोग में एक सीटी सुअर के फर का इस्तेमाल किया. Answer is false.
The first test subject for Vita Wonk was Oompa Loompa volunteer. Vita Wonk के लिए पहला परीक्षण विषय ओम्पा लूम्पा स्वयंसेवक था. Answer is true.
Vita Wonk turned the Oompa Loompa volunteer into a child. Vita Wonk ने ओम्पा लूम्पा स्वयंसेवक को एक बच्चे में बदल दिया. Answer is false.
Mr. Wonka gave the Oompa Loompa volunteer only 4 drops. श्री वोका ने ओम्पा लूम्पा स्वयंसेवक को केवल 4 बूंदें दी। आंसर इज ट्रू।